I was just about to put it out on the curb, and then I took one look at this ugly, clunky hunk of metal, and I had an idea. I began by pulling all of the drawers from the cabinet. Once the drawers were removed, I roughed up the sides and knocked off the rust with a sanding block. I didn't go crazy because the goal was just to prep the surface for paint. Next, I applied one coat of copper paint to the cabinet. You can definitely stop here, but I decided to add a little design using some painter's tape and white paint. Once my stripes were dry, I flipped the cabinet on its side to reveal the bottom. Using a screwdriver, I drilled holes and added 4 canisters as wheels. Securing them with a washer and a nut. That's it! I rolled it out to my garage, and here is my new tool organizer. I love this organization idea, and I hope this inspires you to take a look at your eyesore and give it a new purpose.